How to fix something went wrong, try again, or tap cancel to set up your device later. Sign in error usually happens on Microsoft Store. So this is just a quick fix. All I have to do is just to turn on automatic logged in under services in your operating system. To do so, just head straight into the Windows icon and then just simply type in services. Choose this one that has a gear icon and then you have it here. Now, you just have to click any part of these options in here and then just simply tap on M on your keyboard and choose on Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant. Double click. Now you will be getting another window and then all you have to do is to change the startup type into automatic delay start or just simply automatic. Hit on apply, click on OK and try to re-log in or sign in again into your Microsoft Store account. That's how you fix something went wrong. Try again or tap cancel to set up your device later. Sign in error.